Some tips that I always give to become more happy with yourself and who you are is really being mindful of how far you've come. So I always tell people, tell me what you've done. How far have you come? And there's a lot of accomplishments that people have attained and achieved, and they just don't see them as give themselves credit, or they don't see them as valuable. I really advise people to make a list of all the accomplishments of where you've come and to learn to be content. And when we're content, then that allows us to be happy. And then to focus on after we're content and we can know that, okay, I'm happy with where I am on the way to where I'm going, then we can focus on today forward and really creating the day to be what you want it to be. We all have to have a formula for success. Like for me, I wake up, I work out, I have my coffee, I have my prayer, meditation time, and then I sit with clients all day and I just love it. My day is set up with the way everything that I love to do. I always encourage people to really sit back and look at what would be a great day for you. And once we can start knowing what makes it a great day, what do we need to fill up mind, body, and spirit? And if we're doing that on the front end of the day, then we can sustain for the next 16 hours. And then it's time to go to bed and we're blessed with tomorrow. Then we try focus on what it is that you've done, how far you've come to be content with right where you are today. And then to create a formula for success one day at a time, making each day a great day, doing whatever you want to do to achieve and to accomplish and to be your best self.